Yeah, hello fans, this is Jeromekeys music. So today I'm going to teach you the lead line I'm using. Most of you have been asking me the sound and the voice I use, so this is what I want to teach you today. I'm going to teach you the voice I'm using. That's the lead. I'm going to teach you the voices. Okay? So I'm going to bring the camera to the keyboard so you can see the voices I'm using. Okay? Just watch and learn. This PSR SX 600. Okay, XX 600. So you can get this sound on XS 700 and also XS 900. So just watch and learn. On my right one, I'm going to use concert guitar. Click on your right one here. You go to your guitar. So you find your concert guitar as your number one sound. Then on my right two, you search for your jazz artist guitar. You can see it there, jazz artist guitar. So when you're done setting this, you have to go to your mixer. Then click on your right tab 2 times. Go to effects. Can you see effects there? So this effect that you're seeing 40 is your reverb. Put your reverb on 40 or 50. Let me put my reverb on 50. Put it on both channels, both right one and right two. Put it on 50-50. Then your chorus, you come down here, you use down here. Go to chorus and you put 10. Put it on 10-10. Leave your delay on right one on 10, okay? And make sure your DSP is on both channels. Can you see? That is how I set my lead sound. Now, watch my volume. My right one is on 80 and my right two is on 70. Okay? If you're not enjoying the reverb, you can still add your reverb. You can add it. You can. Most time I add my reverb. Okay. So now, after setting it, it's not all about setting sound. You have to control your finger. There's the way you play it will sound somehow. So. Hope you have learned how I set this sound. Hope you have learned it now, because most of you have been asking me of the lead sound. So I'm going to show you my saxophone and my trumpet, and also flute. Those ones you edit it. This one I did not edit this lead sound. And there are so many lead sound I'm going to show you. Okay, so many I'm going to show you. So I just said I should teach you this one for now. So comment anything you want me to drop a tutorial on, and make sure you like and share. God bless you all.